Welcome to the curry kitchen. How are you guys doing today? Today I am going to show you basic Indian chicken curry. It is very famous all over the world. Everybody cook the chicken curry and everybody wants to eat the chicken curry, and everybody have the different kind of recipes. And I know many of you know how to cook it, but who never cook the chicken curry, I'm gonna show you. It's very simple and very easy, so that you can cook at home if you want it. And I know there are so many different recipes, but I'm gonna show you very easy one. So to cook the chicken curry, you need some basic spices. So what are those that I'm going to tell you now? So we have here cumin powder, I have some coriander powder, and of course we need some turmeric powder and some garam masala. This you can buy from the store or you can make your own. What basically the garam masalas are these. You can see I have cinnamon, I have some cloves, and I have some bay leaf, peppercorn. You can add cardamom if you want, and whatever. Like these are basically the hot spice, and everybody make the different ratio, however they like. But if you don't know how to make it, you don't wanna make too much work, so you can buy from the store too. So these are the basic spices, and of course you need a chili powder. And if you don't want to eat hot, you want to eat very mild, you don't need to add it. And if you want to add more spice to it, I always use the fresh chili, green or red. These are very spicy. These are Thai green chili, actually Thai fresh chilies. And we have chopped onion, we have some chopped tomatoes, I have some cumin seed, and I have some paste, ginger garlic paste. I have like a little bit tomato paste, and of course the chicken. Here is the chicken. This is a bone in. Actually it's a leg. It's almost a pound. So if I'm cooking for myself, I always go with the bone in because it brings you nice flavors, and your curry is like is getting like extra nice. So if you want boneless, you can always go with that too. But sometimes if somebody wants the boneless and you like bones, so you can add some breast in it, boneless breast you can add to that. And also I have fresh cilantro for later on. So first thing I do is to marinate the chicken. That is very important. At least if you have time, you can marinate for like a 30 minutes, marinate and keep it so that your meat gets tender. So first what we're gonna add, some ginger garlic paste here, a little bit more, and I'm gonna add a little bit turmeric and a little bit garam masala and some salt here, and a little bit drizzle with the oil. It's gonna be nice this here. So if you like a hot, I always go with a little bit chili powder too if you want it. Otherwise it's not necessary. I know many of you maybe want just mild chicken curry, you don't have to put the chili, but if you want to go a little bit, it's always good. Nice heat, you know. So our chicken is marinated already. So as I said, you need to marinate at least 30 minutes so it gets tender. But if you don't have much time, so you're preparing for the chicken curry, so first thing you're gonna do is marinate the chicken, then you cut the other things, so that your chicken will, by the time you are ready, your chicken will be marinated nicely and it will be nicely tender. So heat the pan here. Our pan is hot already, so we're gonna add some oil, vegetable oil I have here. So my pan is hot, so it's not going to take a lot of time to get your oil heating up. So just check the oil is hot or no. That is very important. It's not hot yet. So make sure your oil is nice and hot. So what it's gonna do is gonna sear the chicken nicely. So otherwise, if you put in the cold oil the chicken is not going to come nice. We need nice and golden color to the chicken, so it's gonna be made very tasty. That's very important. So our oil is hot now. So I'm gonna add is whole spices like I said, bay leaf, peppercorn and cinnamon. As I said, whatever spice you have available, you can add it to it. So I'm gonna add some cumin seed too. I'm gonna add some cumin seed. Then I'm gonna add some chicken here. Let's throw all the chicken here. Our pan is nice and hot. That is very important. So you see that? How nice the color is coming now? Wow. Looks good. So as I said, I love the bone-in chicken, so it makes like a nice gravy and your gravy tastes so good. And you don't need to buy chicken stock to put in this because it's gonna create its own stock, you know. It's gonna cook in its own juice. That's very, very important. So the people maybe who is scared with the bones, what you can do, maybe the whole chicken you can cook it like a whole leg quarter, just marinate and put it there. Then after that it's very nice tender. Then you can just pull the meat out so that it will be easy to eat for you. But I'm telling you, like if you're gonna cook with the bone, it's gonna be very, very tasty. So next is we're gonna add some chopped onion. This is half chopped onion actually. We're gonna cook this onion nicely. So I put the flame up now. As I see, like you have to work with your pan. You have to know like how hot your pan is getting. If you see like a pan is too hot and your spices are burning, so always you turn it down. You know, don't scare. Don't get nervous. It's gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. Just make sure you're controlling your pan and fire. That's very important. So at the beginning you need nice and full flame to cook the onion. These onions we need to be a little bit golden brown as well, so that they will turn into nice gravy later on. That's very important. And now I'm gonna add some chilies. I cut it a little bit. I split it. Two will be fine for me, I think, for this chicken. If you want more, you can go ahead for more. As I said, like the Indian food is not about the recipe. It's about you, how you like it. You can prepare according to you. Some people say, I have a restaurant like a curry station in Sarasota. So I have so many guests coming. They never had Indian food. So they said, oh, the Indian food is very hard. But it's not. We can cook according to their taste, you know. So as you say, like onion is golden, it's getting like a golden color now. So we're gonna add some ginger garlic paste here now again. Now I'm gonna turn down a little bit the fire. I'm gonna add the spices. I'm gonna add some turmeric. I'm gonna add some little bit garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, and I'm gonna add this tomato paste here. We need to roast these spices nicely along with the tomato paste. So the tomato paste will also get the nice taste, because if you just throw the tomato paste later, it's gonna have a little bit raw taste in it. So now we're gonna add some chopped tomatoes. So as you see, like our chicken is already more than 60% is cooked in the pan already. add a little bit salt here. Salt. Remember, we put the salt already in the marination, so just be careful with that. I like a little bit of cilantro before and after, so it gives you a nice flavor. Now we're gonna add some water. And we're gonna cover this one just for like a maybe like a 3 to 4 minutes. I think that will be fine. As I say, like you can work with your chicken curry, or you can work with your any curry dish according to your taste. In this, if you want to add some coconut milk, you can go ahead and put the coconut milk. And if you want cream and butter, and it's gonna be nice as well. And if you want just add it, then that will be fine as well. So you know what I'm saying? So always you can work with your spice label how you like it. That's the Indian food about it. And all these spices are very interesting, you know, and it brings you so many layers of flavors, you know, so many layers. So when your palate tastes all this, I'm telling you, it's kind of addicted. You will get addicted to this food. This is so delicious. It's not boring, I'm telling you guys. So we're gonna mix up a little bit. Look how it's coming nice. The curry is almost ready because these pieces are very, very small and we cooked them already. So we're gonna cook a little bit gravy so that the gravy will taste nice as well. We're gonna add a little bit more water. So always check. Don't put a lot of water at the beginning. So keep adding the water as it's cooking. If we need to. If you don't need a water, you don't need to. That's fine. So we'll just add some water slowly by slowly, and we're gonna cover again. 30 seconds more. It looks great. It looks great. I'm hungry already, you know. So, and also it goes very well with any kind of bread you want. If you have Indian bread, you know how to cook the roti or chapati or paratha, naan. It's gonna go very well with that. Also rice goes very well with the rice. If you don't have, you can buy any kind of bread, sliced bread or pita bread. This goes very well with anything. I'm gonna add just a little bit water more again. As you see, like I'm adding just like a 1 spoon or 2 spoon water at a time, so that your consistency of the gravy will be the same. Now I'm going to taste the chicken curry. Make sure the seasoning is perfect. If you need more chili or if you need more salt, you always check for that. That's very important. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the amazing curry. And try my recipe and let me know how you guys make this one and how it came out. If you have any suggestions, anything, just let me know please, so that I can improve myself and to show you guys more and more videos. If you like the video, please subscribe for the more videos. If you want to learn something, please let me know, message me, and I'm gonna make the more videos for you guys. And as you see, this chicken curry is ready, and this is amazing. Enjoy your chicken curry. Thank you for watching.